2, 1, go!
Here at Belton Playoffs, we're on round 5, match 13. Both alliances, human players firing into their hubs. Team Alpha empties their hopper into the Red Alliance hub, while Full Metal Jackets fires on the blue. For the Red Alliance, Team Alpha is off the ground. The Blue Alliance is fighting for a chance to prove themselves against the #1 alliance in the finals, but the Red Alliance is looking for redemption. Looks like Rebellion is high-centered on the fuel in the middle of the neutral zone. All 3 red robots also joining them in the neutral zone to try to feed fuel back onto the Red Alliance. Yep. Autobots shoving their partners off of the fuel, but they land on Team Alpha. They break free. Kryptonite still trying to get their intake to work. Doesn't look like fuel is ending up in the hopper. Kryptonite feeds fuel over to the Red Alliance as their shift begins. Team Alpha unloads their payload into the Red Hub. Human players continuing to score as Pastabot loads some fuel over onto the Blue Alliance. Team Alpha filling up their robot and returning to the red side. Rebellion looking for something to do in the middle of the field. They crash over to the Red Alliance as their partners Full Metal Jackets fill the Blue Alliance hub. Beartex trying fruitlessly to interfere with Full Metal Jackets scoring. Pastabots trying to spray fuel back onto the blue side. They get a little turned around, but they sort it out. Full Metal Jackets going back for another volley right as time expires on the shift, and we head over to the red side of the field. Team Alpha is sitting ready and waiting. Team Alpha feeds some fuel to their human players. Kryptonite still trying to do something with the fuel that they have available to them as Pastabots shuttle some fuel under the Blue Alliance trench. Full Metal Jackets has a full hopper waiting for their chance to use it. Alpha trying to reload their robot. It's the end game. We've got fuel firing on both sides. Full Metal Jackets, a short stream into the Blue Alliance hub, but they have some interference from Beartex, and Rebellion is trying to line up on the level 1 tower to get those crucial traversal points at the end of the match. With 5 seconds remaining, can Rebellion do it? They're hooked on, and they're up. 1 second left. Screen, but it's a 203 to 118. We have our second finalist. The Blue Alliance wins this one. They move on to the finals to play the upper bracket winning alliance #1, while our Red Alliance finishes in 3rd place. Let's have a round of applause for our Red Alliance teams: 148 Robo Wranglers, 5503 Tigertrons, and our captains 2468 Team. Oh, no, that's the wrong one. Team Alpha 2689, 4610 Beartex, and 624 Kryptonite.